Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatex I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Friday morning forecast update. I know a difficult morning commute for many of you, or you may find yourself with a surprise three-day weekend here, as we have a lot of roadways that are still closed across the Arklatex and probably will be through at least mid to late morning, as our temperatures here will likely be at or below freezing through about 10 or 11 a.m. and will likely warm back above freezing once we get to the noon hour today, but it will take a little while for some of that ice to melt off. But I would expect we'll see improving roadways by the afternoon today, and if we still have some closures that extend into tonight, much better improvements for us as we head through the weekend, as we'll see the sunshine come back and all the ice will likely melt off Saturday. And for sure, Sundays, your temperatures will be back into the 50s. It will take a while to shake the clouds today. That's one of the things that will keep us cool, but we also have that breezy north wind pushing in all of that Arctic air. The advisories, the warnings for the winter weather have all officially been canceled here, so we're not under any kind of threat for any winter weather. I will say, though, there are some areas today, especially if you're on the south side of one of the bigger lakes, you can get a little bit of lake effect, maybe mist that comes in this morning, so there could be some freezing mist, maybe some freezing drizzle. It's not going to cause any more problems. It's just going to add on to some of the ice that we already have out there, but with a lot of the major interstates shut down again, probably through morning, this isn't going to have a huge impact on us as far as any freezing mist through, I would say, sunrise this morning, but that should go away pretty quickly. Story today, we do have our cold front continuing to move off to the east. We're trying to figure out when exactly we'll see the sunshine come back. The back edge of the clouds here is through Tulsa, Oklahoma City, and Dallas, so I think the clouds will be with us for much of the day, especially with that cold air kind of trapped in here, but we could see some sun pop back out in some areas late this morning and afternoon, but we won't completely clear out until we get into tonight. Your morning temperatures here anywhere from 23 in Idabel, low 30s for Texarkana as well as Shreveport, so everybody is at or below freezing. And keep in mind, we had some record rainfall yesterday too, so that inch or two of rain that we did see is still causing some wet roadways, and with temperatures dropping below freezing, a lot of black ice out there as well, and not necessarily just on the bridges. Some of the surface roads could see some ice this morning as well, so just kind of take it slow for the morning commute. Your temperatures later today, it's a cold day for sure, upper 30s, low 40s. We have a north wind coming through at about 15 miles per hour today, so even this afternoon, wind chill temperatures likely in the 20s and 30s, so just a bitter cold day for us. We've had a few of those over the last month or two, and you can see on your Robinson Futurecast, it does show maybe some sun coming back to the northern Arklatex later today, and will completely dry out tonight. And as those skies clear out overnight, you'll have to see some of these temperatures here. It could be one of the coldest nights we've had. A low of 16 tonight in Idabel, just 20 in Texarkana, Shreveport down to 24, and 21 your forecast low for Marshall as well as Minden. So again, pretty hard freeze tonight, so make sure your plants are covered up, your pets are inside as well. And your 7-day forecast showing you some improvements by late in the weekend. Sunny day tomorrow, but staying cool Saturday. By Sunday, we're back in the mid 50s, and temperatures looking great. Middle of next week, we have dry weather all of next week. We probably won't see any rain for the next 7 to 10 days or so, and highs will be back into the 60s Tuesday through next Thursday.